What's up, guys? So I've been getting a lot of messages and requests about the full pantry build video. So I'm going to get into it and show you guys. So this right here is what our pantry looked like before. As you can see, we got those ugly wire shelves and it was just a mess. So the first thing you want to do after you remove those wire shelves, you want to clean your walls, fill those holes, and paint to your desired color. It can be any color you want. Just make sure the walls are clean. The next thing you want to do is add your 2x3 support pieces. You want to nail these or screw these to the studs. And the width in between the shelves can be whatever you would like them to be. After you add the support pieces to the wall and screw into the studs, you want to make sure that they are completely level and that they're secured properly. Once you have them applied to all three sides, then you can move on to your next step. Next, you want to add your 2x2 shelf support pieces and apply them with 2-inch pocket hole screws. So in this step, you're going to need a pocket hole jig to make those holes that the screws go in, and you're going to also need a pocket hole screw bit. So you can space these support pieces anywhere between 12 to 16 inches apart, whichever you desire for your shelves. And also your shelves can be whatever depth, height, length, anything that you want. Because like Burger King says, you can have it your way. Why not? So for this step, you do want to make sure you have a powerful drill or drill driver and a pocket hole to fasten the support piece. Next, you want to add 3/4 inch thick common boards that span the full length of your shelves. So they sell these at Home Depot and Lowe's, and you can buy these at various different lengths and widths. And you can apply these with a brad nailer and fill the hole. So once you have the top part of your shelf secured, you're pretty much almost halfway there. So at this point, you can start to admire what your pantry would look like. So next, you want to add your 1x3 pine wood pieces to the face frame. And this is going to be the face of your shelf. And you can add these with a brad nailer and you can fill the holes in after you're done. So at this point, you're pretty much done. And you can start taking your painter's tape and edge off the edges to paint and stain. So now is the fun part. Paint or stain with your desired color, and then you can start to add your supplies. So congratulations, your updated pantry is now complete and you now have more useful space and storage. Enjoy, and this is the very fun part, decorating, putting what you would like, customizing to your own liking. Guys, thank you so much for watching the full pantry video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or comments or anything, feel free to comment below the link. And also, you can reach me on Instagram at Woodworks by Patterson. That's Woodworks with an S by Patterson on Instagram. Send me a DM on there. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. And I'll be glad to get back with you and help you with your project. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, subscribe for more content and like the videos. Send them to a friend or family member. Thank you so much.